Hello and welcome to the Complete SEO Bootcamp. This is an introduction to the course. I'd like to take a few minutes to discuss what we'll be covering in this course. This is a breakdown of all the major topics we'll be covering in this course. Each topic has its own section and is explained in detail. We start with an introduction to SEO and explain the basic stuff for complete beginners. If you already have basic knowledge, you can skip this section, but I recommend watching it. After the introduction, we look at how the search engines work. It's extremely important to understand how search engines work because, since in SEO, our ultimate goal is to rank our website on search engine results page. And to do that, first we need to know how search engines work. After we learn how search engines work, we'll dive into keywords and keywords research. This is most important and interesting topic of SEO. I'll cover what keywords are, types of keywords, what a good keyword is, and how to find keywords. We'll learn how to use different tools to find the perfect keywords. After keywords research, we'll cover some major topics on website and content optimization. There are quite a lot of important topics to cover here. After that, we'll learn a very important technique of SEO, which is link building. We'll learn about different types of links, how to build links and stuff. We'll be covering lots of topics here as well. Then we'll learn how to speed up your website. Your website speed affects your ranking. The faster your site, the better you rank. We'll learn methods to optimize our site to load faster and look at different tools we can use to make them faster. Lastly, we'll look at some of the common SEO mistakes that people do. These mistakes can be costly and, at times, even result in your site being penalized by search engines, which basically means your site will not be shown on the search engine, which brings a death to your organic traffic. As you can see, we'll be covering a lot of important topics. We've made this course to the point, no repetitive stuff, no useless spammy tricks to rank overnight. This course will teach you natural SEO, which the visitors like and search engines love. This will make your website rank for important keywords for a long time and bring you high traffic. The course is structured properly and in such a way that anyone with even zero knowledge about SEO can get started and become an SEO paid professional in no time, given that he works hard and gives his 100%. In the next lecture, I'll quickly go over how you can get the most out of the SEO course, and after that, we'll dive into the course. Happy learning!